how to fix Steam games not launching Windows 11 problem. To do this, go to the search section and open Windows Security. After opening Windows Security, click App and Browser Control and then Exploit Protection Settings. After doing this, click Program Settings from the top and then Add Program to customize. The next thing we need to do is click Choose Exact File Path and add the problematic game. To do this, you need to open the common folder within Steam and double-click the game folder. After doing this, select the game and click Open. After selecting the game, we need to disable several settings. First one is Control Flow Guard. Tick Override System Settings and toggle off this feature. Then do the same for Data Execution Prevention and Force Randomization for images. After making these changes, click Apply and close this window. Now you can check whether the Steam games not launching Windows 11 problem is solved or not.